Here's a mini hack to use when soldering copper pipe that I learned from an old-time plumber several years ago. I've used this simple technique ever since. First, follow all the typical recommended practices. Deburr the pipe end, clean the pipe and fitting, apply flux, bend 1/2 inch of solder for 1/2 inch pipe, light the torch, heat the joint, apply the solder and let it get sucked in. Now, here's what the old timer did. He used a flux brush to wipe the joint clean. I'm not a plumber, but I think this joint looks pretty good for a DIYer. And I've soldered hundreds of fittings like this at work and home over the years. The downside is the shorter lifespan of the flux brushes. Good thing spares are inexpensive.